Now we are going to learn about the local time and the time zones and the standard time. So first we will learn how to calculate the local time with the help of longitudes. So as we have discussed that whenever we are talking about the longitudes, they are also called the meridians of longitude. Why? Because we take it with respect to the overhead sun at the time of noon. So, and for each degree of longitude, there is a difference of 4 minutes in time. The time varies by 4 minutes for 1 degree longitude. The time varies by 4 minutes. And we also know about the formula east gain add and west loss subtract. So we will use this to calculate the local time of a particular place. Suppose for example, for Mumbai, the longitude is 73 degree east and the time is 12 noon. And we have to find out the time at Delhi, which is 77 degree east at the same time. When it is 12 noon at Mumbai, what will be the time at the same moment at Delhi? So how we will calculate it? First we will calculate the difference in the longitude. So this is 73 degree, this is 77 degree. 77 minus 73 is 4 degree longitude. The difference in the longitude is of 4 degree, and we know that for each degree of longitude the difference is of 4 minutes. So here this 4 degree longitude will be multiplied by 4 and the difference of the time will be 16 minutes. Now when it will be 12 noon at Mumbai, the local time at Delhi will be 12 past 16 minutes. And why added? Because we know that Delhi lies east to the Mumbai. So this formula will be applied east gain add. So we calculated the difference in the time and we added that time to the given time of Mumbai. And in this way we can calculate the difference in the local time of two places. So in this way we can assume that there will be much large difference in the local time of the various places if we talk about the India only. Now you must be thinking that okay, here we are listening this that while at Mumbai the time is 12 noon, at Delhi the time will be 12 past 16. But practically we do not follow this kind of timeline. The time that we follow all over India is the same. We do not follow or we do not run by the local time. So from where we get that time that is followed all over India? That is because of the time zone. So the next that we are going to discuss is the time zone and the standard time. The time that we are following in India, all over the India, that is the standard time. And how do we get it? So for that, first we will discuss about the time zone. What is the time zone? So this is basically to overcome the confusion while allowing the interplay of various natural forces to operate. The earth has been divided into 24 time zones. Why? Because there are 24 hours in a day. So on the basis of that, the time zones all over the earth are divided into 24 time zones. Each zone covers 15-degree longitude. That means the difference of 1 hour. If we talk about the difference from one time zone to the other time zone to the next time zone, then it will be 1 hour. So suppose at one time zone, if the time is 12 noon, to the next time zone it will be 1 p.m. to the next time zone it will be 2 p.m. to the next time zone it will be 3 p.m. And the time zone which are followed by a country, or which the countries which comes under one particular time zone also depends on the extent, east and west extent of that country. For example, like in our country, India, we follow only one time zone. That's why the time all over the India is same. Whenever we talk about the time at any place in India, the time is same. While on the other hand, the countries which have the larger extension, for example, like Russia, Canada, USA, in these countries, within the same country, more than one time zones are followed. And on the basis of these time zones, we have the standard time. All the places which comes under one time zone. So for 24 hours, we have 24 time zones, 15-degree longitude difference for each. The difference is of 15-degree longitude. So a particular, for all the places which are lying under a particular time zone, they will follow the same time. So in this way, we get the standard time of that particular time zone. So the next thing that we are going to discuss is the standard time. Like whenever we talk about India, you must be aware that it is 5:30 with respect to the Greenwich Mean Time. All of you must have read it or must have heard whenever we mention the time. So 5:30 with respect to the Greenwich Mean Time. What is Greenwich Mean Time? Greenwich Mean Time means the time standard which is set by the prime meridian, which is at 0-degree angular distance. So we are taking the time of all the places with respect to that prime meridian only. So what is the standard time? The uniform time based on a central meridian is known as the standard time. So what is the standard time? The uniform time based on the central meridian is known as the standard time. For all the places we have one central meridian, like there is the prime meridian. So for all the time zones we have one central meridian where the time is fixed with respect to that central meridian, and that gives you the standard time. And whatever the standard time is fixed, that must be divisible by 7.5 degree. Why it must be divisible by 7.5 degree? So that we will not have the smaller differences and not much complicated calculations for calculating the time at a particular place. We know the time, the difference in the longitude for 1 hour is 15 degree. So if we have to calculate, it has to be in terms of the complete hour or half an hour, not in any other fraction, not less than half an hour. No fraction for less than half an hour. So it would be easy for the purpose of calculation. So in this way we get the standard time based on the central meridian of a particular time zone. Now if we talk about the Indian Standard Time, the Indian Standard Time in our country, in India, it is 82 degree and 30 minutes east to the central meridian. 82 degree and 30 minutes east to the central meridian. uh, 82 degree and 30 minute east to the central meridian. It passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad. The central meridian which passes through India, it passes through like the Greenwich Mean Line. It passes through Greenwich near London. So the central meridian here passes through a place named as Mirzapur, and it is near Allahabad. And it is also known as the standard meridian of India. So while fixing the Indian Standard Time with respect to the Greenwich Mean Line, all the time that we are going to fix, that will be with respect to the Greenwich time, because the prime meridian is passing through from Greenwich. So 82 degree and 30 minutes, what I said here, that half degree, it is this 30 minutes. So when it will be multiplied by 4, the total time difference, if we will convert this into the minutes, the difference from the 0 degree to 82 degree and 30 minutes. So it will come 330 minutes. It will come 330 minutes. So when we will convert these 330 minutes, this will be 5 hours 30 minutes. And if we talk about the position of the India, it is lying towards east, so we will add it up, and that is why the Indian Standard Time is 5 hours and 30 minutes before the Greenwich Standard Time, or the Greenwich Mean Time. So in this way we have the Indian Standard Time. Now let's take an example that how we can calculate the time of a particular place with respect to the given time. We have learned about the local time. We learned that 1 degree longitude is equal to, if we have to find out the difference in terms of time, there will be a difference of 4 minutes. For 15 degree longitude, it will be 1 hour. The formula we know, EGA-WL, is, that is east gain add, west loss subtract. So we will do the calculation on the basis of this information only. Now we will discuss one example that will give you more clarity about how we can calculate the time on the basis of longitude. Here it says it is 5:30 p.m. in India when Prime Minister's radio broadcast made from Montreal in Canada was heard. What must have been the time at Montreal? Means if it is 5:30 p.m. in India, at the same moment, what will be the time at Canada, in Canada at Montreal? So after consulting the atlas, or in most of the time in exams, these values must be given to you. It is found that Montreal is at 74 degree west. it lies at 74 degree west. And if we talk about the time at India, if we talk about the time at India, what is the time? It is 5:30 p.m. The time which is given for the broadcast. Time at Greenwich, if we take the standard time, it is 12 noon. When in India the time is 5:30, sorry, then at Greenwich the time will be 12 noon. And if we talk about the difference, the time at Greenwich will be 12 and it is 74 degree west. So when it is at west, what we will do? We will subtract. West loss, subtract. In this way we are going to follow the rule. So 74 multiplied by 4, it will give you the difference of 296 minutes. It will give you the difference of 296 minutes. 296 minutes means 4 hours and 56 minutes. And this difference of 4 hours and 56 minutes is from the Greenwich time. This difference is for the Greenwich time. So when we will subtract it from the 12 noon, or basically the 12 hours minus 4 hours and 56 minutes, the time that we will get will be 7:04 a.m. So when at India, this will be the time at 5:30 p.m. At the other place, at the Montreal, the time will be 7:04 a.m. The same moment, the time at one place is this and the time at the other place is this. So this way we can calculate if we know the longitude, the degree of the longitude and the time of a particular place. So in this way we can calculate the time at the other place.